Hey everybody, so the first video I want to explain how to write the equation of a line in point-slope form given 2 points. So point-slope form is the slope, the form you see in front of you, y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. And anytime you see subscripted letters like x sub 1 and y sub 1, they represent specific values for x and y. And in this case, they represent the values of a specific point on the line we're trying to write the equation of. And m represents the slope of the line. Now, we're going to do a specific example here where I want to write the equation of a line between, say, the points 3, negative 4, and negative 5, 7. All right, so whenever I'm trying to write the equation of a line, I need a point and a slope. So I'm going to find the slope between these lines first. Now, you should have learned in Algebra 1 that slope is change in y over change in x. Now, if you have our time remembering that, delta y over delta x, y's rise to the top. Y's rise to the top. So it's always the y's over the x's. So you're going to do changes in y. So the y values you subtract, and it doesn't matter which order you put them in. I'm going to put the second one first, so 7 minus negative 4. As long as you put the x's in the same order. So negative 5 minus 3. So let's see, that would be 11 over negative 8, so negative 11 eighths, and that would be the slope. If I had switched the order on top and bottom, I would have gotten negative 11 over positive 8, which is the same fraction, right? Negative 11 eighths. Now, I need a point. Now, for point slope form, or for any of the other of these, you can pick either point that I have here, either 3, negative 4, or negative 5, 7. It doesn't matter. I'm going to pick 3, negative 4 just because it happens to be the first point I see. Now, point-slope form is really nice because, honestly, to write the equation of the line, all you have to do is just drop everything into the equation. It's y minus y1, the y value of the point you have, equals the slope times x minus x1, the x value of the point you have. Now, obviously, y minus negative 4 is y plus 4. And you could have jumped directly to that. You didn't have to write y minus negative 4. And that is the equation of the line in point-slope form. Now, if you had chosen the other point, your equation would have looked like this. Y minus 7 equals negative 11 eighths times x plus 5. And that would have been perfectly acceptable as well. So that's how you write the equation of a line in point-slope form. You find the slope between the points, and then you drop everything into the equation.